Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best electric dirt bikes for adults that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product link descriptions below. So let's get started with the video. Taking the 5th spot, we have the MotoTec Warrior 52cc 2-stroke gas dirt bike, a compact option that's primarily designed for younger riders, but still offers decent entry-level performance. Equipped with a 52cc 2-stroke engine, this dirt bike delivers just enough power for beginners or those looking to ride on lighter trails. Its lightweight aluminum frame ensures easy handling, which is ideal for smaller or less experienced riders. While its design is compact, the Warrior doesn't skimp on durability. The aluminum build, coupled with a simple but effective suspension system, gives it an edge in handling light off-road conditions. The included kickstand is a nice touch for convenience. However, the bike's small wheels and lower power output mean it's not suitable for serious off-road challenges or adult riders looking for high performance. It's also worth noting that the assembly process can be a bit tricky, as some users have pointed out. The MotoTec Warrior is a great choice for younger riders or adults who want to introduce their teens to off-road riding. However, with limited power and a less robust build quality compared to higher-end options, this bike isn't ideal for advanced riders. If you're looking to get started with dirt biking without breaking the bank, this could be a decent pick. Pros include its lightweight design and affordability, while cons are its limited power and small build. Ultimately, it's an entry-level bike that does what it promises, but its niche audience limits its appeal. At number 4, we have the MotoTec X2 110cc 4-stroke gas dirt bike in green. This bike is a significant upgrade from the previous entry, offering a 110cc 4-stroke engine that delivers impressive power for intermediate riders. Designed primarily for off-road use, the X2 features durable alloy steel construction, ensuring it can withstand rugged terrain. Its 14-inch wheels and rear suspension provide decent stability and shock absorption, making it suitable for trails and hilly areas. The build quality is a standout feature here, with MotoTec ensuring a robust design that can handle intermediate-level challenges. However, the bike's heavier weight, coming in at 137 pounds, might make it less maneuverable for some riders. The 4-speed manual transmission gives riders more control over their ride, which is a plus for those looking to develop their skills. That said, the assembly process requires some effort, and the limited 60-day parts warranty might leave some users wanting more peace of mind. This bike is ideal for intermediate riders who want a reliable, gas-powered dirt bike for off-road adventures. Pros include its powerful engine, durable build, and manual transmission, while cons are its heavier weight and the relatively short warranty period. If you're looking to step up from an entry-level dirt bike without venturing into premium territory, the MotoTec X2 strikes a nice balance between performance and affordability. Our runner-up is the Venom 1600W Pro electric dirt bike in green, a mid-size powerhouse that's perfect for young adults and teens. With a 1600W motor and a 48-volt lithium battery, this bike offers a ride time of 2 to 3 hours, making it ideal for extended off-road adventures. The advanced speed governor allows you to adjust the bike's top speed between 5 to 25 miles per hour, catering to riders of varying skill levels. Hydraulic disc brakes and adjustable suspension enhance both safety and comfort, ensuring a smooth ride on rugged terrain. The build quality is impressive, featuring a lightweight yet durable aluminum frame that's easy to handle without compromising strength. The 14 12-inch wheels provide excellent traction and stability, while the battery gauge display helps riders monitor their power levels during long trips. Assembly is required, but the bike arrives 85% pre-assembled, making the process relatively straightforward. However, the price point and the targeted age range, primarily teens, may limit its appeal to older adults. This bike is perfect for riders aged 13 and up who want a high-performance electric dirt bike for motocross or trail riding. Pros include its powerful motor, adjustable speed settings, and excellent safety features. Cons are its higher price and the fact that it's better suited for younger riders. If you're looking for versatility and performance in a mid-size package, the Venom 1600W Pro is an excellent choice. Taking the crown as our #1 pick is the Venom 1600W Pro 48V electric dirt bike. This electric dirt bike offers everything you want in a high-performance, off-road machine. Powered by a 1600W motor and a 48V lithium battery, it delivers both torque and endurance with a ride time of 2 to 3 hours. The adjustable speed governor allows you to customize the bike's performance, making it suitable for beginners and experienced riders alike. With a max speed of 25 miles per hour, this bike is designed for thrill seekers who demand versatility and control. The Venom Pro boasts an exceptional design, featuring the durable yet lightweight alloy steel and aluminum frame. Its dual hydraulic disc brakes provide superior stopping power, while the adjustable suspension ensures a smooth ride even on the toughest trails. The 14/12-inch wheels offer excellent traction, making it suitable for motocross, hilly areas, and off-road trails. The battery gauge display and included safety features like the fender and number plate add to the overall appeal of this bike. Assembly is required but manageable, with the bike arriving 85% pre-assembled. This model is perfect for teens and young adults who want a reliable and high-performance dirt bike for serious off-road use. The pros include its powerful motor, adjustable speed settings, and robust build quality. The only real downside is its premium price point, which might be a barrier for some buyers. However, for the performance and features you're getting, it's well worth the investment. If you're looking for the ultimate electric dirt bike experience, the Venom 1600W Pro is the clear winner. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.